All right, guys, let's do this, okay? I got up just to start trading this. I'm trading on a $10,000 account. This will be the official first video for talking about 5 Elliott wave structures that go up on a micro time frame during a very volatile moment, okay? So this is how we look at this one right there. That's 1, 2, that's now 3, that's 4, and now that's 5. We need to break it down much further so you guys understand as well, okay? It's very difficult to see it in here on the first wave structure, okay? Extremely difficult for us to see it, but I assure you it is there, okay? This could even be it right here as well, just something like that in there. Very micro, as you guys have noticed this, okay? Now watch this right here. Now this is going to be a very difficult count in my opinion. 1, 2, 3, that's 4, and that's 5. Like this, okay? Just watch with me in there. Take out the show wave right there. So you see how this is looking? Okay, we're gonna get this on the bigger time frame for a minute. Okay, watch on a minute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there, okay? Check that out. And then now we're gonna have a 5 here as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's change this to a smaller structure as well. Go to minuet. Take out the show waves, okay, like that. You know what I like to put this one as though, actually? I like to put it on primary, just so you guys can easily see that, right? And let's change this one to sub-minuet. Actually, yeah, that's perfect, sub-minuet. Actually, minuet's good. Yeah, it's just a matter of personal preference, which one you want to leave it on. Like, there's no, yeah, sure, there's a proper way to do it, but I'm not really picky about annotation. Okay, so does this make sense now, guys? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is doing the ABC in here, very easy to tell. And we should get a structure that's going to come down to a very specific amount. 1, 2, and we should probably get right here to the touch. Now, the next thing that we do is we do a Fibonacci retracement, okay? Fibonacci retracement, just like that. And we say to ourselves, okay, check this out. With accuracy and precision, we can say that we are finding confluent reasons to be looking at a one-to-one extension. Therefore, our target is right there at 57028, 57028, okay? We've got a 10K balance only in here, guys. Very small balance right here, but I personally believe that this will be very easy to nail with 100% accuracy here. And we're gonna close ours at right at 5701, okay? I even took out, I purposely took out money, guys, just to have a 10K balance for you guys to learn in this video, okay? You know, this thing here is completely taken off. You know, my balance thing, because I'm not playing on my original account here. So I want to be 100% transparent for you guys to be able to see my trades. It's very important. So the reason why Ripple is shooting up right now is because of this, guys, okay? XRP goes live for the first time. I also tweeted this as well, and I want to give you guys an idea of how my life is when I also tweet as well, okay? This person was being kind of a little bit of a smart person. He's like, how you were shorting it earlier. And I'm like, well, the moment positive news is released, I'll stock myself out. And that's kind of it. So yeah. So anyways, Ripple was released. We're kind of getting an idea of people saying what's happening, right? This is probably going to go really high to the moon, in my opinion here. It's going to go incredibly high, guys. So now let's just take a look at how this structure is looking on a 3-minute chart, okay? Heavy volatility implies we make sure, guys. Okay, so the time frame here is about 1 hour, 9 minutes. This news was released about 56 minutes ago. So as soon as people start to catch on to the pump there, that's exactly when it started going upwards, okay? Now we take a look at the 3-minute chart and say ourselves, all right, where's the bear signs of divergence? It's not quite there yet right now, okay, not 100% there. but we see the 5-minute chart just really high on our side. We are definitely making the right play here. If I'm not making the right play here, I'd be very concerned about my actual structure here. So now we want to go to a 1-minute chart here, and we want to make sure that we're actually in a decent position and that we're doing our technical analysis right. We want to evaluate just this particular time area right there, okay, to make sure that that is actually ABC coming down. If it's not ABC, it could even be just the first sub wave. So I'll keep you guys updated very soon. All right, during very intense moments, you have to look at two things, okay? One is the 1-minute chart. Yes, that is right. You look at the 1-minute chart, okay, to see volatility, and you see, is it higher? Which one's higher? This one right here is a lot lower. And the second thing that you look for is the level 2 price action. Okay, you look at the level 2 and you say to yourself, okay, well, this one looks like it's not going to get higher. So now we're going to add another 5,000 to our position right here, just because it does not look like it's going to spike up anymore, right? It doesn't look like it at all. So let's add a little bit to our position here. So we see that the market is getting slammed down right here. So we have to make sure with 100% certainty that we can manage positions very wisely. So the Elliott wave count is most likely in. This is the one that we're going to go with for now. This could be the B that's just incredibly high, or the final wave that went upwards, okay? So it's one or the other. So this is no one's really buying into my position. 821. I'm just trying to. I'm chasing now. I'm chasing. See, I'm going to market execute this because there's just no time to be doing this. I have to market execute. I got ease. That's okay though. Sometimes it's necessary for us to do this. I'm in an okay position size now. I don't really know how much this is, but I want to get an even number. Just to have an even number. And I'm playing extremely risky, okay? 35,000 minus 33,218.346,460. I'm going to market execute 1781. 65354. 65354. No, I'm not going to market execute. I'm going to, oh, I disappeared. 1781, 1781. I like to play with round numbers, okay? 65354, 65354, right? I'm going to do that 586, oh, sorry, 0.58710. Let's just see how this is looking right here so far. Okay, that's all right. I'm okay with this right now. I'm not really in a bad position, guys. Take a look at these two things, okay? Take a look at this region right here versus this region right here. Look at the histogram tick that's unable to break higher right now. And also look at this trend line right here that's going downwards, right? You guys see this negatively sloping trend line for the histogram tick right here? Bam, that's a negatively sloping line. I'm in a very small position right now relative to me. I'm in a 20,000 American dollar position. I'm saying American because I want to be very clear, right? Some people trade with euros, some people trade with other types of currencies. And because I'm in France, I'm also calculating things like weirdly in euro now. All right, there's the negatively sloping histogram tick. Now, once we've confirmed it on a 1-minute chart, we want to say to ourselves, all right, on other time frames, are we going to confirm anything else? So this could be the B going up, right? It could very well be the B. It's hard to tell at this specific structure right now. So we're going to try to even break it down further. All right. Yeah, this could be the 5th wave up there. This is the weird wave up here though. Like I really believe this is the ABC. There we go. We're coming down already, guys. See this? We're beautiful. Beautiful coming down. How much of a position am I in? I'm in $20,000. Okay, I'm going to go for still the exact same thing. My Fibonacci range like that. I will still target, even if I targeted right here, I'd be really up today. I'd be up $400. I'm going to go for 7.3. That's my target right there, okay? I'm going to go for 7.3. 7325. I'm going to put in a position here of 34,999.99. I'm going to buy it there. There we go. And now let's see if this histogram is actually going to tick down. There we go. We've actually confirmed right here, guys. We've confirmed triple histogram peak. Every time you see a triple histogram peak, expect a gigantic downtrend. Okay, now watch. We're already in the even right now. Perfect. You guys see my ladder? My ladder is incredible range. All right, so these were some of the short signals. Okay, I tweeted this as well that they're not going to see this video, but yeah, here we go. Here's the triple peak on a 3-minute chart, right? On a 3-minute chart, we got a triple 1, 2, 3. During heavy volatility, watch low time frames. Histogram tick down. That's your signal as well, and also the short signal that you missed with the bearishly diverging RSI. So we're in very good shape right now, and we're just about to take profit. Okay, it's ticking down extremely hard right now. We're going for a very conservative target, as you guys can see. Easy money. I'm probably going to take my profit right here, guys. Okay, because I'm starting to feel the momentum shifting right now. This is actually very bullish. So there we go. Walls right here. I'm going to show Twitter just this part right here, though. Okay, Twitter. First of all, I want to be very clear for you guys, okay? This is the first official video that will be in the Elliott Wave course. And this Elliott Wave course right here will have a balance, as you guys see, that I put into this account. It's a brand new account with only $10,000. And we are going to make 20 trades together, 20 trades together for the Elliott Wave course using specifically Elliott Wave and short signals that I'm going to teach you guys. And over 20 trades, I'm going to show you guys what Philicon could actually do. So let's have a look and let's see what we can actually do with these specific trades. Can I actually close my position here, or is it going to spike up? There's going to be an ABC, that's for sure. Okay, there's going to be an ABC coming down. It's just a matter of waiting for the market to recover. Okay, now we're just taking a look at this right here. Massive candles. Like honestly, these are massively bearish diverging candles, and I really do believe it's going to tick down like incredibly soon, if not even harder right now. All right. All right, so the market started to spike a little bit here. There's a lot of buyers coming in, okay? But we're just gonna keep watching the level 2 to see what kind of momentum we're getting. We gotta look out on a low time frame. The 3-minute chart, yeah, it indicated it was ticking down. Now it's ticking upwards, right? But we gotta make sure that we're counting our 5 Elliott waves in here, and we're gonna add more to our short position as soon as we confirm this Elliott wave structure of ours, okay? So what is the Elliott wave? So sometimes we get it wrong, right? We get it wrong and we got to redo all of it again. So we have to find the appropriate time frame that can actually label it right here, okay? So in my opinion, this is all 1 and that's 2. And most likely this is 3 right here, 3, 4, and that's a 5th one up there right now. And we're getting a lot of momentum just being lost right now. I can just sense it, right? But we don't want to enter a trade quite yet right now. We don't want to add more. Well, maybe actually we will just a little bit more, because it looks like the market is not really responding to going up anymore right now. So let's go with even 499. This guy put in a lot of orders there, okay? Let's put another 5,000 right here, because we still have a big play. We can still play like 15K. So the guys are starting to undercut me right now. I don't like that. So I'm going to put in 4938 right here. Okay, there we go. 4938. 4399. Nope. We're chasing a knife now, catching it like literally. I'm just gonna go 90 here. Slam the market, not slam, but I want to make sure that I'm in a relatively decent position. Okay. I don't know why I still have this amount here, but that's okay. It's kind of a weird amount that I have in here. I don't know. I have no idea how I actually got it in there. Let's go with 80 right now. Okay, there we go. Market's starting to move downwards towards my favor. Let's just go 75 for now. Okay, now we're going to adjust our wave here. We're just going to assume that these are the 5 wave structures that are up already. Okay, we're just going to adjust it here as we're laddering it upwards, always assuming there's 5 wave structures. Sorry, there's 5 structures, right? So we're going to put it right around there always and try for a very conservative target regardless. That's going to get 2% target on literally 20 a minute for 20K now. Not bad at all. All right, here's the bearishly diverging this signal right here. Okay, oops, sorry. Right there. Okay, do you guys see this? It's going to be a descending triangle. Descending triangle is about to break down. We get a much lower count there. Here we go. It's finally going to tick down with the histogram much lower. All right, Philocon's going to be in very good profit here. I'm going for a 382 fib structure right here. Going to 1.73 on a $20,000 position. It's going to be a $340 payday. Easy for Philicon. I'm going to close it at the 7.6 level, maybe a little bit higher than that actually, because I'm not too sorry about that. My phone is going off a lot. It's probably Sarah. Yep, definitely is. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. I gotta make a call. Check this out right here, guys. Check this out, okay? You guys see this right here? Higher, low, okay? Higher, low, right? Higher, low. Do you guys see that? But look at the RSI, lower, low, bam. Now we're gonna redraw our count right here to make sure that we get it in here properly and right. This is 1, that is 2, this is 3, that is 4, and that is 5, okay? Now let's confirm it on a lower time frame as well, and easy, we can confirm this, okay? This is basically 1, 2, this whole thing is 3 up there, 4 and 5, and now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 already going upwards. So we are absolutely in incredible shape right now to be doing this properly, okay? Now this is the official 5 count. I'm pretty darn sure of it right here. It's very difficult to argue with it in my opinion. And now it's gonna start downtrending very heavily. I don't think that it's gonna be able to sustain it that low, and I think that we're gonna make some really good profit here. Keep you guys updated very soon. Let's see what we can turn this into together. So to catch you guys up right now with what's going on, I believe that this is the wave count, okay? So we're going to assume a time frame on a 15-minute chart across a span of 1 day and 10 hours, right? So across 1 day and 10 hours, I expect this resistance to be a pretty major resistance. And because it is a major resistance, I expect it to bounce off of this particular region right off of 75, because what was once a resistance will now act as a support. And then if we look at it on a much lower time frame here, like a 3-minute chart, this seems like it's going to be the count right here, right? Where that just goes up once and twice and third right there around the 77 mark. And that is where Philicon actually has the position opened at. Makes complete sense to me. Let's see if this actually works out. I have many chances to make profit already, but I'm waiting for the right time to take profit. And I really am excited to see how this is going to play out. This is by 1OK Rock. There we go. Three favorite words, guys, say it. Look at that price action right here. It's just tanking. There you go, guys. We're going to do it right here. I had to leave you. You said it's alright, and I believe you. You know I'm no good, no good. He's gonna make a descending triangle, if even. If even. Almost got a chance to close, but I didn't. I'm gonna wait for the right time. I don't care if it goes up there. Watch, it's gonna break down. Trust me. See this right here? 15 minutes is double top right there. There you go. It's gonna come down right now. Yeah, it's really coming down. Take a look at this. The momentum is really shifting down right now. I'm gonna close this very soon. Watch. Watch. I'm gonna close it, guys. I'm gonna close it very, very soon. This right here is my $10,000 account, once again, that I am having specifically for Udemy, which will have 20 trades with Elliott Wave. You guys are welcome to see my balance there that I had. This is going to be specifically for Udemy, and I'm going to show you guys transparently what I can do with $20,000 using Elliott Wave's strategy. I took all my money out of this particular account. And you guys are going to be blown away with what I'm going to be able to teach you. Okay, guys, here we go. It's going down. There's the ascending triangle. You guys want to see something very funny that I tweeted? I tweeted this. It's actually pretty funny. My favorite thing to do is tweet about shorting when there's positive news. It causes outrage to all the traders that are long, which is exactly what's happening right now, if you guys notice here, okay? You guys notice how right here we're in an ascending triangle? Like this whole structure is kind of ascending right now. So I think it's gonna break down pretty hard, guys. Like I really believe it's gonna break down very hard right now. I don't think it's gonna hold up whatsoever. All right, here's just me coming up right now. I'm in a pretty decent position for I think $25,000 or something. Bitcoin's level 2. Really, really bad right now. If you notice here, there's me filling up. There's me filling up. Bam! Easy, guys. Easy, man. Easy. So easy. All right, let's make a video right here, okay? Just give you guys a very quick lesson video of how Mama Whale made this quick $300 profit in about 1 hour of work, okay? 300 American is a lot of money, guys. That's like almost 400 Canadian, okay? Like that's honestly a legitimate amount of money. And you know, if you can make that in 1 hour of work, it's kind of crazy if you think of it like that. And anyways, sorry, I got distracted. So let's talk about how I did this. First of all, what we have to establish is that this is a resistance, right? And we have to say to ourselves, what was previously a resistance becomes a support, and what was a support becomes a resistance, right? So this resistance was broken, so now it becomes a pretty hard support. And then after we establish that first fundamental, what we say is we're going to look for bearish signs of divergence, okay? And the bearish signs of divergence goes something like this, where we're seeing a histogram ticking down to the negative side, right? Where it's ticking down in general with a potential crossover there that signals to algos that's time to actually take profit or enter short. And we're also seeing a series of a higher low, right? And also lower lows despite the higher highs on price action. That's always important to establish, okay? So once we get these higher highs and lower highs on our side, higher highs on price action, she's gonna watch this video and she's gonna be like, I'm just blowing up his phone in the middle of a really serious conversation right now. And it's okay, though, I don't mind it. So anyways, to be very clear once again, right? We're getting a series of a higher high on histogram, on price action, but lower highs on RSI and lower lows and histogram ticking down. And then we can even go to a 1 minute chart and we can break it down, but break it down by Elliott waves, okay? And we call this as the grand waves or whatever the primary cycle of this particular one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we can break it down even further, right? Subways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then because we also established the trend line, what we say is it's going to bounce off of it, and it sure did.